The future of infrastructure is being designed today, and it begins here. Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering at MIT-ADT, Design and Technology University, Pune, where innovation, sustainability, and engineering excellence come together to shape the nation's future. From smart cities to transportation systems, structural engineering, environmental engineering, and advanced surveying technologies, students gain hands-on learning through industry-oriented laboratories, live projects, field visits, and cutting-edge research opportunities. The department proudly hosts the Center of Excellence with Bentley Systems, providing students with exposure to globally recognized infrastructure engineering software and advanced digital construction technologies. Through this collaboration, students develop industry-ready skills in BIM. The department also conducts expert guest lectures on topics such as corrosion awareness, system formwork, and anchoring techniques, helping students gain practical knowledge. At MIT-ADT University, education goes beyond classrooms. Students are empowered through practical training, internships, research opportunities, innovation projects, and collaborations with leading industries and professional organizations. With experienced faculty members, modern laboratories, and a strong focus on real-world problem-solving, the department prepares future civil engineers to build resilient and sustainable infrastructure for tomorrow, manage large-scale construction projects, or contribute to sustainable urban development. Your journey starts here. Admissions for academic year 2026 to 27 are now open. Department of Civil Engineering offering programs B.Tech, Civil Engineering, M.Tech, Structural Engineering, Transportation Engineering by Research. Join the Department of Civil Engineering at MIT-ADT, Design and Technology University, Pune, and build the future with innovation and purpose.